At the stroke of the midnight, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and liberty. Greetings to all the viewers. This is Nikha Zavi, a second year law student at Faculty of Law, Jamia Millia Islamia, and I'll be sharing my views on the topic We Are Independent, and of course, a question mark. So, soon India will be celebrating its 74th Independence Day. Probably at this time, the PM would be working on his Independence Day speech. We are sure to see Happy Independence Day slogans trending on Twitter and Facebook, and news channel immersed with numerous Deshbhakti songs and news to celebrate the independence of the nation. But today, one must take a moment and ask oneself, is India free? Are we really independent? The notion of independence is versatile. Independence to me means what is guaranteed by the Grundam of the nation to its citizen. Independence begins from the very beginning of the preamble, which reads that it is we, the people of India, who have solemnly resolved India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. Independence is that concept which lies with the interpretation of the six fundamental rights given to we, the people of India. Independence is that concept which makes we, the people of India, capable to fulfill our 11 fundamental duties. But today, either the meaning of independence is changing or our status of being an independent nation is changing. Why I am saying this? Because the fundamental rights of the citizen to express themselves is violating, as the government has now and then bringing new laws to curb the freedom of the citizen. It is evident from the fact that India ranks as the country with maximum number of internet shutdown, with at least 64 internet shutdown in the year 2020 alone. In the year 2019, on the eve of abrogation of Article 370, the internet services was cut down in the entire region of Jammu and Kashmir when it was downgraded into a union territory. To date, despite multiple petitions in the Supreme Court and pleas by doctors for seeking information on the tackling of the COVID-19 pandemic, full 4G is not restored there. An independent state guarantees its citizen right to life, but a sizable population of India does not know from where their next meal will come, and still we say India is free and we are independent. The main tragedy is in the area of religion. The freedom of religion is at the vanishing point because instances where a Muslim man is forced and beaten to chant Jai Shri Ram just to show his nationalism, or a Sikh girl is forcefully converted into Islam is happening now and then. How can we say that people have their fundamental right of religion? The answer to the statement that are we independent is that India is free and we are independent but on papers. For me, on day when everyone will have equal access to their due rights, when male and female ratio will be equal, when India will have its one first female chief justice, when employment opportunity will be available easily, when poverty will be eradicated from the society, when corruption will be eliminated from the society, when quality education will be given to every sector of the society, and when the day a medical system will not collapse by any other virus, and the day when constitutionalism will be upheld, on that day I'll say that yes, we are independent. Thank you.